What's up, everybody? It's Brandon Espino. Today I'm going to show you how to buy Shiba Inu coin. And so you may have heard of Dogecoin and you think it's like, hey, Dogecoin is a great idea. Everybody's talking about it. I'm going to go buy it. I'm just going to tell you right now, don't fall into that trap. There's something else better that's out there right now for the taking. You just have to be able to know how to actually jump into it. And so Shiba Inu coin, I'm going to show you this real quick, what it looks like. Okay. So right now the price is at 0.0000200 or 0.88. If this coin goes up to $1 or if it goes up to 25 cents and you just start buying it all up right now, you will have a lot of money. And so, by the way, what I use to trade, this is called trusted signals. It's a signal indicator that tells me exactly when I need to buy, when I need to sell. I'm a super noob at trading right now, and so you're learning along with me. Trusted signals makes everything easy. Basically, I just follow like, okay, sell, boom, I sell it. And once I get a buy indicator, then I buy. I mean, it's really as simple as that. And so if you're trying to buy Shiba Inu, the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go to Coinbase and you want to go to Bitcoin and you want to load up on some Bitcoin if you haven't already. And so you'll hit buy, you'll do all of that stuff. Cool, cool, cool. All right, whatever. You got your Bitcoin in your account. Then you're going to go to send and you're going to send this Bitcoin over to a different website. This website is called KuCoin. So you go to KuCoin.com, and then after you're done making your account, you're done doing all of that stuff. Let me just show you from a clean slate what that's going to look like. All right, we're on KuCoin. You have your account. All right, let's go to our assets, and then let's see what we need. We need to get some Bitcoin into this account. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to deposit by going to main account after you click assets. So once we're on main account, then we're going to hit BTC. Okay, now we want to deposit Bitcoin. Oh, look at that. That's Bitcoin address. You're going to copy that. Now that you copy your Bitcoin address, you're going to go over to Coinbase again, and you're going to paste. And you're going to send as much as you like. For me, I'm going to send 20 bucks over to my KuCoin account. So I'm going to continue. Boom. Send it now. All right, now I'm going to have to do a little bit of verification and wait a little bit, but I will be back and I will show you how we can get Shiba Inu into our account.